Ever struggled to safely grab your toast or delicate seafood without burning your fingers or dropping your food? What if a simple kitchen tool could solve that problem and more? These nesting tongs are designed to make your cooking and serving easier, safer, and more efficient, whether you're pulling toast from the toaster or plating a gourmet meal. I was skeptical at first, but after trying this set of 3 tongs, I can honestly say they've changed how I cook. The smallest tong is perfect for removing toast or waffles from the toaster without risking burns. The medium and large sizes handle everything else, from juicy burgers to delicate scallops, with a grip that's firm but gentle. Unlike traditional tongs with metal loops that sometimes let soft foods slip through, these feature grooved heads that hold food securely every time. Plus, they snap together for compact storage, so they won't clutter your drawers. Made from heavy-duty polypropylene, these tongs stand up to heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The set includes 3 vibrant colors and sizes: red, 10 by 4 by 1 inch, blue, 8 by 3 by 1 inch, and green, 6 by 1.75 by 1 inch, so you always have the right tool for the job. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen essentials with a versatile, reliable tool that delivers real results, this set is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience how much easier cooking and serving can be.